Okay, this is my summer gear. Use Morpat's uniform, and the gun is an Classic Army M16A3. London Bridge trading vest with just some mag pouches, and with that I run a small backpack for batteries and BBs, and a helmet and a shemagh. So it's a lightweight gear to run in the summer, not too hot. Okay, so this is the gear I run in the winter. G&G RK104 as my primary. Really great gun, best AK. Swedish M59 pants and an urban camo jacket with a black Chinese vest. That's really great, had it for a couple years. So yeah, and some thick black gloves. That's all I use when it's winter. Okay, so how I would use the tornado grenade. Well, I always play outside, so I'm in the woods, really using my camouflage, trying to blend in, and I'm kind of sneaky when I play. I try to take them out one by one, always trying to flank them and take them from the side, but that never works. There's always 4 or 5 guys. So a grenade, just pull pin, throw that in, and then when they start running around, just take my shots. So yeah, that's how I would use it. So thank you, Rainbow Ops. You guys are real awesome. Love your channel. Hope to see more videos from you soon. And Merry Christmas, guys.